Be nice to Oscar. Let him come and kiss you.
Come here.
Say, come here, Oscar.
Come here, Oscar. Come here.
Call him.
Oscar. He's like a ball.
Call Oscar.
Come on, Oscar. Come on. Come here.
Give him a hug. Good girl. Say, good girl.
Good girl.
Now she wants to hold your hand. Give her your hand. Say, good girl, Lily. Give her kisses. Give her kisses. What about Oscar?
Come here, Oscar. Now Oscar's next. Oscar, come here. Good girl. Come here, Oscar. Going first. Going next.
Say, come here, boy.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. You want to play tag?
You guys tired? Hey, don't do that, Oscar.
Come here, Lily. I'll make the slide for you.
Here comes Oscar.
Come on, Oscar.
They're tired.